Documented by an original window sticker, an original Protecto plate, and 2 original build sheets, this numbers matching LS6 Chevelle is the beneficiary of an extensive restoration that enabled better than factory glory. And featuring all important options such as PosiTrack and F41 suspension, it virtually spells investment grade. A 2006 rebuild coordinated hours of professional metalwork, which resulted in a super straight profile. That clean presentation was layered in correct cranberry red base, accented with correct white stripes, and sealed in glossy clear. And today, this top dog coupe rolls as one spectacular piece of iconic American muscle that's detailed to award-winning standards. Featuring a host of new components and decked in correct red vinyl, the Chevelle's interior is inviting and comfortable. The seats are firm to the touch, showing no signs of detrimental wear and tear. A crack-free dash features a full set of deluxe gauges. Clean carpet centers a full console and correct horseshoe shifter, and a handsome Chevrolet rally wheel keeps everything pointed straight. Although the 1970 Supersport's ferocious turbojet V8 was conservatively rated at 450 horsepower, it actually punched the dyno somewhere north of 500, and according to its familiar casting number, correct CRR suffix stamp, and matching partial vent, this classic's original LS6 still resides in its rightful home, mated to its original TH400 3-speed. This numbers-matching coupe is the total package, sporting a King of the Mountain LS6, a tough turbo-hydromatic 3-speed, and every option that allowed these cars to develop such stellar reputations. This was a bragging rights car in its day, and is perhaps even more so now. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.